Now that we have the watch open, let's give the case a good scrub. I'm using an old toothbrush for this job. Why a toothbrush, you ask? Well, it's perfect for getting into all those tiny nooks and crannies. The bristles are just stiff enough to remove dirt and grime without scratching the surface. Trust me, this is the best tool for the job. I'll be using a mixture of warm water and a gentle soap. It's effective for breaking down grease and dirt without damaging the watch's finish. As I scrub, I can already see the dirt loosening up. This is satisfying to watch.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Before we dive into cleaning, we need to take this watch apart. This isn't going to be easy, especially with a watch that looks like it hasn't been opened in years. I'm using a small screwdriver to remove the screws. This tiny screwdriver is essential for working with small devices like watches. If you're not careful, you could damage the screws or the watch case itself. And that's a mistake we definitely want to avoid.
Sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Moving on to the face of the watch, which is crucial because this is what people see. For this, I'm using another cotton swab and some glass cleaner. Don't worry, it's a mild one. This will help remove any smudges or fingerprints. I carefully dab the cotton swab into the solution and gently wipe the face. And voila, the watch face is sparkling and I can see my reflection. Now let's tackle the watch band. This thing is filthy, so I'm using a combination of soap and water along with that trusty toothbrush again. The band is made of metal, so it can handle a good scrubbing. I applied the cleaning solution directly to the band and used the toothbrush to scrub away all the grime. You can see the difference almost instantly. The dirt is lifting away and the metal is shining through. It's like magic. With everything clean, it's time to put the watch back together. I carefully reattached the band. This is where patience pays off. I'm using a small pair of pliers to ensure everything is secured tightly. After that, it's time to add the clasp back on. Once everything is in place, I can't help but admire the transformation. It's like we've given this watch a brand new lease on life. With everything clean, it's time to put the watch back together. I carefully reattached the band. This is where patience pays off. I'm using a small pair of pliers to ensure everything is secured tightly. After that, it's time to add the clasp back on. Once everything is in place, I can't help but admire the transformation. It's like we've given this watch a brand new lease on life. Now, it's time for the final touches. I place a new battery into the watch, ensuring that everything works perfectly. After securing the back cover, I give it one last polish with a soft cloth to make sure it shines. And there you have it. This watch has gone from disaster to dazzling in just a few simple steps. It's incredible to see how much care and the right tools can make such a huge difference.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. don't fly